come with us on a little journey of Kickstarter reward packaging for Wanderings 2, my new art book. Every book is signed and sealed with a special silvery shiny sticker. And there's bookmarks and stickers. So many stickers that go into these things. Everybody got a really cool deal and a free sketch. Don't forget that. That is very important. There's prints that are going to be signed. There's a thank you letter that be signed. I am signing my name pretty much everywhere. My hand is going to fall off. So thank you so much for your patience, all the backers of this book. We are underway. We are so busy getting everything done. Victoria, my partner, is doing a fantastic job of packaging things as well. And we're really taking the time to make sure that everything is beautiful and gets to you safely. And our house has become quite a mess in the process. These are the sketches that I'm doing for everybody. They're completely free, and I still have another 340 of these to go as of this point. So wish me luck!